Okay, the first 5 teams again.
We talk about some of the winners of the canoe race. Our 5 first teams. Let's see, extra, read all about it. Brothers 2, Intimidators, Boo Boo Bayou.
Oh my God, these shoes.
Not yet, hold up. Whoa! Is that part of the act? All you canoers gotta do that. Okay, you got your second life jacket. They're getting into the canoe. They are anxious to kick some butt. Who's going to take this? I'm going to count you down from 5, okay? Backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they're off. Don't forget which direction you're going into. Extra, read all about it. You're giving us plenty of time to read about it. Come on. Straighten that canoe up. Yeah, at least they're not back in the lane. Come on, ladies. Intimidators. Come on, Intimidators. And Team Misty. You're making us all misty, Team Misty. Oh! Whoa! Good thing they got those life jackets. So must be the helmets. In third place, at least they haven't flipped, are the Manticore Mid-Bridge. Do we need to send the rest of the teams out for this? Railroaders are still in the lead. They're going around counterclockwise. Oh! You only have to go around one time, guys. And here come Withrow Riches. Look at them.